Hello guys, my name is Adik and welcome to this complete Python programming course. I am really excited to have you here and welcome to Dark Infotech. Today, before we write our first line of code, let us understand what is a programming actually is and why millions of people around the world are learning Python. Now let us ask you a simple question guys. Have you ever wondered how the Instagram recommends videos you like and how YouTube suggested the next video and how Google shows the exact results you searched for? Behind all these amazing applications, there are programs writing code. And today we will talking the very first step towards becoming one of them. Don't worry if you are never programmed before. This course is designed completely for beginners and I will explain everything in a simple way using real life examples. And welcome to the Python programming guys. Now I want to share a few words regarding the programming. A programming is nothing more than communicating with a computer. Think about giving instruction to a friend. If you saying please give me some water and your friend understands because they know your language, so you're easily conveyed to your friend. But the computers do not understand English like humans do. They only understand instructions written in the programming languages. Throughout this course, we will learn how to communicate with computers using Python. And by the end of this course, you are able to create your own programs, solve problems, and build real world applications. And have you ever tried coding before? If yes, let me know in these comments which language you learned first. Let us understanding programming with a real life example. Imagine you are making a tea. First, you will boil the water and then add a few spoons of tea powder in that boiled water, and then after some time you will add 2 or 3 spoons of sugar for the persons who require the tea, and then after some time it will boil for some time to give the flavor, and then you will mix the tea, you will mix the milk in the tea, and then you wait some time. After that you will serve the tea to your friends. So for the making tea, the order is important. If you pour the milk into empty cup before boiling the water, the tea won't be ready. Similarly, the computers work exactly the same way. They follow the instructions one by one. Then they never skip the steps. They never guess. And that's why the programmers must write the instructions very clearly. If the one step was wrong, the entire code will be affected and the entire execution part will be damaged and it produces a huge errors and it will give the losses to the companies also guys. And can you think of another daily activity that follows step by step instructions? Programming languages. Now the question is, if the computers understand only binaries, then why don't programmers write only zeros and ones? Imagine writing thousands of lines like 100111100000111 etc etc. It would be impossible because it cannot be recognized, it cannot be understandable by a human, but it can be understood by computers. So you cannot convey by using these binary conversions. So that's why the programming languages were created. Each language have different purpose. For example, C is mostly known for speed, and Java is popularly for the enterprise applications, and the JavaScript is used for the powerful websites, and the Python is famous because it is easy to read and easy to learn. That's why it's one of the biggest reasons beginners choose Python. Introduction of Python. Python. This is where our journey really begins. Python is one of the easiest programming language in the world. Look at the simple code like print hello. It displays the text like hello world, hello on the screen. Actually, that's the beauty of the Python. Its syntax looks very close to English. Instead of spending hours of understanding the complex codings, complex rules, complex conditions, and complex syntax rules, etc., we just convey the simple commands using the simple language of Python, and using the spending most of the time by understanding the compounding rules. You can spend the time for the solving the interesting problems. That's why the schools, colleges, universities, and even the companies also use Python. The history of Python. Let's travel back in the time, guys. In 1989, a programmer named Guerrero van Rossum wanted to create a language that was powerful but also easy to understand. After nearly 2 years of development, Python was officially released in 1991. Interestingly, the name Python doesn't come from the snake. It comes from the British comedy show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Today, the Python has become the one of the most valuable programming language in this world, guys. And before today, how many of the thought the Python was named after the snake? Why the million people learn Python? Why the Python is so popular? Let us know at these few reasons. Because it is easy to learn, and it consists of powerful libraries, and it has huge community, and it can cross the platforms like Windows, Macs, Linux, and cloud. And the biggest reason is one language can be used for many careers. Whether you want to become a software engineering, or an AI specialist, or a data scientist, an ethical hacker, or an automating engineer, a Python can help you get there. Instead of learning many languages at the beginning, you can start with a one powerful language, that is Python only, guys. With this Python, we can understand the other languages like C, Java, C++ in a simple way. But the only difference in between these both is the only the syntax difference. Because see, the, they have some similarities between these languages, like the loops, conditional statements, control statements, the functions, and the strings. It will come in the next chapters, guys. Don't worry and don't panic, because these are the main topics to cover. Because if you learn in one programming language in the perfect way, then it will help us to guide for the rest of the programming language if you are interested to learn. So this is my favorite slide because it shows how powerful the Python really is. Actually, Python is a very useful in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, data science, automations, web development, game development, and scientific research, and etc. And if you have ever hear about the ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, self-driving cars, recommended systems, or face recognitions, Python plays a major role in the building many of these technologies. Learning Python opens the door to all these existing fields. So the Python is the very crucial one to achieve your dreams in the future. And if you're interested in these fields like AI, cybersecurity, machine learning, data science, and etc. So nowadays the Python is ruling the entire world. So it is a major language to rule this. Now many of the world's biggest technology companies uses Python every day. Companies build web applications, automate repetitive tasks, analyze huge amount of data, and develop AI systems using Python. This is why the Python developers are in high demand. If you continue learning and practice consistently, you can pursue careers such as Python developers, data scientist, AML engineer, DevOps engineer, or cybersecurity analyst. And remember, every expert programmer starts exactly where you are today with the first lesson. And finally, guys, so that we completed our introduction to Python, we will learn the programming in the is and what the programming language exists, what the Python is, and its history, and where it is used and the career opportunity it offers. In our next part, we will install the Python and the Visual Studio Code and we will write our first Python program and start coding today. If you want to if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you do not miss the upcoming lessons. Also, let me know in this comment what you are the most excited to build using Python. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next part. Goodbye guys.